Get this day started. Another morning, 35 degrees. I'm ready to battle the elements a little bit better than yesterday. But 35 degrees is 35 degrees to be riding a motorcycle. And here we go. That's a Joker quote. Alright, third gear. You gonna let me in? Fourth gear? No, he's not. Fifth gear. Sixth gear. We're gonna go get this Alsco truck, because we are faster than him. I'm feeling way more energized than I did yesterday. 84, 85. Sorry, truck. Slow down, 75. Holding in the clutch. We're coasting. Let's see what we got this morning. 3 lanes. Get in the turning lane. Gently apply the brakes. It's still frost warning out, so you gotta kind of treat it like it just rained. 5, 4, 3. Woo! Shift, shift, shift. Oh man, I'm so much more ready than yesterday. 3 to 2. We're not stopping. We got shit to do today. Damn. Life could always be harder, man. Life could always be harder. I think an MMA fighter said, it was a quote that his mom said, and it was along the lines of, if the whole world put their problems in a pile, and you got to look at that pile with all the problems in it, you would take your shit back so quick. So be thankful for the problems that you have, because they could be worse. Even my bike wants to go this morning. Let's go, boy. Alright, unless shit pops off, I'll see you after this speed montage. Holding the clutch, coasting. Apply the brakes. 5 to 4, 4 to 3. We're gonna have to stop. 3 to 2. We're gonna coast this. Come on, give me green, give me green. We're going anyway. Yeah. Cancel signal. Oh, I got a good song playing right now. Linkin Park, R.I.P. Chester. Fogging up a little bit. On the drive here, on that little speed montage, I tucked my scarf into my helmet. It stopped some of the wind from funneling in, but I'm fogging up a little bit. See me, see me. Thank you, van. Turn my music down. So I noticed, similar to rainy days, the painted lines on frost warning, they're just as slick as on rainy days. So if you're riding in cold temperatures, be careful on those painted lines. You don't want to slip out from underneath you. Man, am I late? It's 7 o'clock, man. How are people beating me here? Oh, girls got practice today. Girls basketball team. Oh man, we super beat the sun. Made it. Thanks for riding.